The process we use to create common ground among conflicting insights from theories is similar to the process you use with those from conflicting concepts and assumptions. The first step is to evaluate the theories, their models, variables, concepts, causal relationships, and so on. Technically, you should have already done this in the previous steps of the IRP, but this time around, you'll have a different goal: to modify and unite all insights and prepare for integration. So, revisit all relevant theories, including the tables, figures, and maps you've created so far, in order to proceed with the next step: mapping each theory and its components. To do this, you can start from scratch, or add to the map you've been working with since the beginning of the process. This activity will help you see the phenomenon, the insights you've identified, real and assumed conflicts, and other connections that can help you integrate all the information. The third step here is to identify whether the collection of relevant theories fits what the textbook authors call Situation A, B, or C. Situation A is that some of the theories have a broader range of applicability to the phenomenon of interest than others. Situation B is that none of the theories borrow elements from other disciplines. And Situation C is that the theories mostly address different phenomena altogether. In the next few videos, you'll cover each of these situations and what you might do to proceed in more detail.